came here limping, I came here crawling, and I'm leaving here walking, and I don't need a cane no more. Get your knees replaced if you need them done.
Well, they are the ones who made all the arrangements to make sure you go to here. They are the ones who choose the right doctor on your problem which you have. No more pain, no more feeling bad, what not. I'm very good, I'm very happy. I'm going back home nicely. I'm very satisfied.
It was absolutely flawless. You know, maybe professor will find it difficult to give 10 over 10, but I think you will give a very good 9.9. It was excellent, no mistake at all. I think we have to first of all give the credit to IndiCure.
If you want to get better, you have to do something about it. So get off your backside, contact IndiCure. You'll find it very helpful, and I'm sure you will be very pleased.